Hi, I'm Alice. And guess what? The other day, I was at the park pond, and I saw a turtle just chilling on a rock. I waved at it, and it just looked back at me like, hey, I'm basically carrying my house around, what's your excuse? That's when it hit me, why do turtles have shells? I mean, was nature just like, you know what would be cool? Portable armor. Well, turns out that's not too far off. Turtles' shells are like built-in body armor, but not just any armor. It's part of their skeleton. Yep. The shell isn't something they take off or hide inside of like a sleeping bag. It's literally fused to their bones. You see, their shell has two main parts, the top part, called the carapace, and the bottom part, called the plastron. The carapace is made from their ribs and spine that have grown outward and fused together with bony plates. So yeah, a turtle's ribs are basically hugging them from the outside. Now, here's where it gets even cooler, that shell isn't just hard bone. It's covered in a layer of keratin, the same stuff your fingernails are made of. So, every time a turtle scrapes its shell, it's basically giving its giant fingernail a polish. But why evolve such a strange feature? Well, millions of years ago, turtles didn't have these full shells. Their ancient ancestors had just broad, flat ribs. Scientists think these early turtles used them to burrow underground, kind of like prehistoric construction workers. Over time, those ribs got wider and stronger until, ta-da, the first built-in tank in nature was born. And yes, the shell helps protect them from predators like crocodiles, big cats, or even birds of prey. But that's not all. The shell also plays a role in buoyancy for aquatic turtles, helping them float and dive smoothly. It's like a built-in life jacket and shield combined. Now, get this, turtle shells also have nerve endings. That means they can feel touch and even sense pressure. So, when you tap gently on a turtle's shell, it's not just hearing the tap, it's feeling it. Imagine wearing armor that can tickle you. And no, turtles can't leave their shells behind. The shell grows with them, just like our bones grow with us. So if you ever see a cartoon of a turtle stepping out of its shell, well, that's cute, but totally impossible. So next time you see a turtle, remember, it's not just slow and steady that wins the race, it's smart design. They're carrying millions of years of evolution, engineering, and science on their backs. Literally. Pretty amazing, right? The original Mobile Home Nature Edition